for you guys, showing you guys how to adjust the e-brake here for the people that complained that the e-brake wasn't working when they were trying to use the e-brake. It wasn't working. So I'm gonna show you guys a video of how to adjust the e-brake cable. Okay, so basically I have some trim removers here. You're basically gonna pop under the side of the trim and pop up the trim. First lift this cover, okay, then you pop out the interior trim piece by piece so it pops out. Okay, put that to the side, then you pop out the passenger side trim piece by piece. Alright, so as you guys see, there's screws here. There's going to be screws here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here on the other side also. There's going to be a screw here and another screw here. So you take out all these screws on this side, all of them on this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take out the screw here, because I have one screw in this side that I left in, because I know I'll come back in here to do more videos. Then you take out the other screw. There's going to be other screws here on this side. Okay, I guess this screw was too small. Okay, well, it's too small. So now that's out. Then we go here in the glove box. You lift up this compartment here with the tab here. Press that tab up. Then there's going to be a mat in here, carpet. You just take out the mat. And then there's going to be two screws in here. Those two screws you unscrew. This is one. This is in the middle glove compartment. You take out the second screw. You put that to the side. Okay, you can then you just pull back. You start from here and you grab it and you just push this back. Alright? Then you can lift out the cup holder. You can lift out the cup holder, put the cup holder to the side. I know there's a lot of wires in here. Do not complain about the wires. I know what everything is going to. I know what's what and where it's going to what. Okay, so this is your e-brake cable here. This is the cable here. Here, this is the adjustment screw. This is the adjustment screw that you adjust. Yeah, it's a 12. Me, I was able to adjust it by hand, like this. Just screwing it up. So basically what I'm doing is screwing up the bolt to thread to pull on the brake lines here, to pull onto those. But if it gets too tight, then just use a 12mm wrench and just, you know, use it to wrench it to bring it up. But what you do is you gotta check it when you adjust it. You have to pull up the e-brake like so. Then you gotta come outside the car, okay, to the back and jack up the back of the car. When I jack it up, I usually jack it up on behind here on the tow hook. So I'm gonna jack it up behind the tow hook on the bottom where I showed you guys. So what it's going to do is it's gonna lift the side here. Move the wheels off the ground.
Yep. It's off.
Use jack stands. If you don't have jack stands, then get another jack to just support it a little bit from the side. So basically what you're going to do is you're looking for drag on the wheels. So you adjust that screw, keep adjusting it up, and then pull the e-brake up until you have resistance on this. So you adjust it so you have a little resistance on it when the wheel is up. So we're going to try this other side, because the e-brake on this side on my car, the pads are like really warm. So let me try the other side. On the other side. On this side, see, as I adjusted the e-brake, there's like really no, doesn't move at all, doesn't pull. So you adjust the screw, pull up the e-brake until it gets tight enough for it to stop the car, to stop the wheel from spinning. See that? The wheel's not moving. It's stuck in one spot. So that's what you do. You adjust it, then come back here and you check the wheel. If you have to, you can jack up the back of the car first, and then, you know, then adjust it inside and then check it. But from right now, it's adjusted, and that's it. So then after you finish that and it's adjusted, you just drop the back. So if the e-brake is on, you adjust it. So then after you finish adjusting it, you're good to go. You know your e-brake's working. You just press the handle to drop it. It's good to go. You loosened it, so now the wheel will move. When you drive, just make sure that you check it also when it's in the air. Release the e-brake and then spin the wheel to check and see if there's any drag. If you see if there's any drag on the wheel. If there is, then adjust it so you don't get any drag on the wheel, but it locks the wheel in place when you adjust it, okay? Just keep that in mind. Check it when it's in the air and check it when it's still in the air, and you let go of the e-brake, push it down, then go in the back and spin the wheel to check and see if it's rubbing. If it's rubbing, it's okay for it to rub a little bit, but not too much. A little bit, a little drag on it. And then you just pull up the e-brake to check and see if it locks it in place. You just keep going in the back, adjust here, then go in the back, check it, adjust it, release the e-brake, tighten the e-brake, then release the e-brake, and go from there. It's not a long process. It's not too bad. You just adjust it a little bit. You adjust the screw a little, and then you just, you know, check the back, pull it up, see if it locks the wheels in place. If it locks the wheels in place, then you're good to go. Then drop the e-brake, check it again to see if the wheel spins freely, because you don't want the e-brake dragging on the wheels, and you're good to go. As long as it's not dragging, like holding the wheel while the e-brake is down. So adjust it so it's not, you know, holding on to the wheel hub inside. And that's it. And then you just put everything back. You get the cup holder, put it back here, push this back to where it needs to go, put the 2 screws back in, 1, 2 screws, one screw here, one screw here. Then you put the mat back in to cover that. Put your wires back in. Okay. Then you get your screws that you have for here. You get your screws, put your screws back in. I only have 2 screws, so I have more, but these are the only 2 I put in right now. Put this one in, and I'll put the other one over here. Oh, get the magnet and get that one. But yeah, so you just put the screws back, and then you just snap back these pieces. They snap right back in. Line them up. snap them in one by one. That goes in. And then this one goes in. Snaps into place, like so. And pushes down, and that's it. You've adjusted your e-brake, your emergency brake. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.